Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change background in KineMaster. Changing the background in KineMaster involves using the chroma key feature, so here's how you can do it. Open up your KineMaster application on your mobile device. Go ahead and start up a new project, and then once you get to this editing screen, click on Media at the top right corner. Now, select a background clip, which can be a video or a photo. I'm just going to select an image to use it as a background media. Now that you import your background media, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Increase or decrease the duration of your background clip. Once you are done, get back to your timeline by tapping on your timeline and tap on Layer from the wheel on the right hand side. Click on Media and then select a video or image with a green or blue screen background. I just have this green screen background video over here. After you select them and add it onto your timeline, adjust the position and size of your foreground clip as needed. After you are done editing the size and duration of the clip, it will be shown like this on the preview screen. Make sure to make use of this arrow on your preview screen so that you can resize your foreground clip. Now, make sure you select the green screen clip or the blue screen clip on the timeline in order to highlight it with yellow, and then from the right hand side corner, look for the chroma key effect and tap on it. Now toggle on the button right next to Enable and you will be able to see that you have successfully changed the background of your green screen or blue screen clip. Preview your video to make sure the background change looks smooth, and that is it. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap on the Export button at the top right corner, choose your desired export setting and save the video by tapping on Save as Video on the bottom right. And that is how you can easily change background in KineMaster. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.